Hello everyone, I am Biswajit. Today we do some important questions on the chapter Applications of Trigonometry class 10. So friends, let us start from question number 1. The string of a kite is 100 meter long and it makes an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. With the horizontal string of a kite, let the kite be here. Kite, this is the horizontal line. The kite string makes angle 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the kite, assuming that there is no slack in the string. No slack in the string means string is tight. Okay. So we have to find the height of the kite on the ground. So this is a right angle triangle. So we have to find the height. String given 100 meter. Okay, let the point is this is A, this is B, and this is C. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Now we have to find this one. Given angle 60 degree. So this is P, this is B, and this is H. We have to find P, height of the kite from the ground. P and H. H given, we have to find P. So we put here sin theta because sin theta is P by H. So sin 60 degree is equal to P by H is 100 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2, that equal to P by 100. That implies we cross multiply. P is equal to 100 into root 3 divided by 2. 100 will multiply here 100 root 3 by 2. See, this is 50 root 3. This is given in meter. So 50 root 3 meter, this is 50 root 3 meter is the height of the kite from the ground. तो ग्राउंड से जो हाइट है ये हो गया 50 root 3 meter. Okay, the question बहुत easy था. From a point on the ground 40 meter away from the foot of a tower. Foot of a tower. Let the tower be this one. A, B, this tower. From the foot of a tower 40 meter away. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of the water tank on the top of the tower. On the top of the tower, water tank. This is the water tank. Let the point be here. It is C. This is water tank. Is 45 degree. So we can draw top. This is the top point C. This angle given is 45 degree. Tower top given is 30 degree, and on top of the tower there is a water tank, and water tank top to see the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower and depth of the tank. Okay, this is 90 degree. You see this one, this is not given 40 meter, this is given 40. Okay, if you put tan 45 in triangle, this one is D, ADC. Tan 45 degree is equal to AD by AC. Tan 45 is 1, so 1 equal to AD by AC, and AC is what? AC is 40. That implies AD is equal to 40. AD again 40 meter there. Then what to find? This is 40. AD is 40. Let this part, you can write, let AB is equal to x meter. AB को हम x ले लिए. ओके, तो A हो जाएगा क्या? 40. A हो जाएगा BD हो जाएगा 40 माइनस एक्स. ठीक है, BD हो जाएगा 40 माइनस एक्स. Now we see in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to FB is P by B, AB by 40. Okay, so AB is what? We can put 1 by root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is X, so X by 40. That implies X equal to 40 by root 3. So 40 by root 3 you can write 40 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, rationalize it. You will find 40 by 3, 40 root 3 by 3. This is X. So AB is 40 root 3 by 3. ये आ गया height of the tower. Then height of the tank पूछा है, depth of the tank. Depth of the tank is BD. So 40 minus X value is 40 root 3 by 3. This is the value of the depth of the tank. Depth of the tank 40 root 3 by 3 and height of the tower is 40 root 3 by 3. Depth of the tank is 40 minus 40 root 3 by 3. Height of the tower is 40 root 3 by 3. Okay, write it down. Question number 3. A tree 12 meter high is broken by the wind. Tree 12 meter height. Let the height be AB. Tree is broken by the window. So this part broken and touches the ground. This is 90 degree. So this length will be equal to this because this is broken down and touches the ground. Total tree is 12 meter. Let this be X. So this will be X. This part will be AP, see it is D. So AD will be 12 minus X because this is X. Total is 12. So this part is 12 minus X. And the angle formed by the broken part is 60 degree with the ground. 60 degree. Okay, now you see. This is P, this is B and this is H. Okay. So if we put sin theta equal to P by H, that implies sin 60 degree is equal to P is 12 minus X by X. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, that equal to 12 minus X by X. We cross multiply, root 3x equal to 24 minus 2x. That implies, you see, root 3x plus 2x equal to 24. That implies, take x common. So you can write root 3 plus 2 equal to 24. Now x equal to 24 by root 3 plus 2, you can write 2 plus root 3. Rationalize now, 24 into this 2 plus root 3. Rationalize 2 minus root 3, then 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Okay, it is 24 into 2 minus root 3 divided by, it is 4 minus 1, 4, 2 square, you can write it 2 square minus root 3 square. It will be 24 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3, 1. So 24 into 2 minus root 3. This is x. X is what? The broken part. The broken part is 24 into 2 minus root 3. Now what to find? At what height from the bottom the tree is broken by the wind? We have to find this part, 12 minus x. So 12 minus x is equal to 12 minus x is 24 into 2 minus root 3. Okay, so I get 24 minus 48 plus 24 root 3, that equal to, this is 24 root 3, first you write it, 48 minus 36 is the answer. Question number 4. The shadow of a vertical tower is on the level ground increases by 10 meter when the altitude of the sun changes from angle elevation 45 degree to 30 degree. You see, this one if shadow of a vertical, it is a vertical tower, so shadow is here. This is the shadow. This is the shadow. Okay, this is vertical tower. A, this is B. Sun is here. This shadow 45 30 degree. This first 45 degree shadow angle of elevation is, now you see, draw this one, this is 30 degree. Shadow of a vertical tower on level ground increases by 10 meter when the altitude is 10. This part is 10. This is x, this is 10. When 45 degree to 30 degree changes, this distance covered is 10 meter. Okay. Find the height of the tower. Correct to 1 decimal. Height of the tower. Now you see, this is 45 degree. In triangle you can write ABC, it is D. In triangle ABC, you see, in triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BC. P by B. Tan 45 is 1 equal to AB by BC is x, so it is x. That implies AB is also equal to x. So this is x. Okay, now we see ABD triangle. In triangle ABD is also a right triangle triangle. In ABD, in triangle ABD tan 30 degree equal to AB by BD. That implies tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3 equal to AB is x, BD x plus 10, because BC is x and this part given 10, so x plus 10, write x plus 10. That implies cross multiply x plus 10 equal to root 3x. That implies root 3x minus x equal to 10. Root 3x minus x equal to 10. Take x common, so root 3 minus 1 equal to 10. That implies x equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize it. 10 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Now you see, 10 into root 3 plus 1 is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 square 3, 1 square 1. 10 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 cancel 5, that equal to 5 into root 3 plus 1. This part is x. This is x and this is also x. Question how to find the height of the tower. The height of the tower is 5 into root 3 plus 1 and the root 3 value is 1.73. You can put here 5 into 1.73 plus 1. That equal to 5 into 2.73. You can multiply this. 13.65 is the answer. 13.65 meter is the answer. Okay, write it down. Next, a person standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of the top of the tree standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. Bank of the river, standing here, it is bank of the river AB. Person standing on the bank of the river observes that the angle of elevation on the top of the tree standing. Top of the tree, angle of elevation, observes that here angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, this tree, this bank, river bank AB. Now you see, when he moves 40 meter away from the bank, 40 meter away from the bank, this is 40 meter away from the bank. Sorry, this is tree, 40 meter away from the bank. This is 40 meter. This part is tree, bank is here, 40 meter away from the bank. The he finds the angle of elevation 30. Now the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay, first this is the bank, river bank, tree is here, the portion is here. The angle of elevation of the tree, top of the tree, 60 degree. It is 40 meter away from the bank. The angle becomes 30. Find the height of the tower. Sorry. He finds angle of elevation 30 degree. Find the height of the tree and the width of the river. हाइट निकालना है और क्या है, width निकालना है, ये जो river bank निकालना है. You see here, let this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Now you see in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to P by B is C by AB. Let's take it, this one is X. So we can write tan is root 3 X by AB. Okay. So AB is equal to X by root 3. If we rationalize, then it will be root 3x by root 3 into root 3. This one is AB. So AB root 3x by 3. Now you see AD. AD will be AB is root 3x by 3 plus this part is 40. So AD is root 3x by 3 plus 40. We can write here 3 root 3x plus 120. Clear? AD. Now you see in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, tan 30 degree, you see tan 30, P by B, SC by AD. Tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to SC is X, and AD is root 3x plus 120 by 3. By 3 means you can write it here, this one. So simplify 1 by root 3 equal to 3x divided by root 3x plus 120. Then cross multiply. Root 3x plus 120 equal to 3 root 3x. Now you see this one minus this one, 3 root 3x minus root 3x equal to 120. That implies 3 root 3x minus root 3x, 2 root 3x equal to 120. That implies x equal to 120 divided by 2 root 3, 60. So 60 by root 3. 60 by root 3, if we multiply 60 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, this becomes 60 root 3 by 3. So it is 20 root 3. It is 20 root 3. 20 root 3 x. So height of the tree is 20 root 3. 20 root 3 is the height of the tree. And bank AB. AB is what? Root 3x by 3. So we can write also ax by root 3. Ax is x by root 3. X by root 3, x is 20 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 is cancelled, 20. So it is 20 is given meter. 20 meter to root 20 root 3 it is meter. X by root 3 is given width of the river. Width of river. And this one given x height of the tree. Height of the tree. Okay. So friends, practice these questions again and again. In my next video, I will do some more questions. I will do 5 videos on this chapter. So wait and watch till the end. Thank you. Keep smiling. God bless you.